Hi, yeah, so just press the plus button, press the screen size, and then you'll go to this page. And then afterwards, you just draw a circle. You hold on to the circle with your pen, make sure it's okay, then you draw, adjust. Then draw a line, make sure the line is straight. Then afterwards, just fill it up. So now you have your first layer, and the next step is add a second layer, and then bring that layer to the layer, to under the layer. And afterwards, just take some orange, then you can just paint under the layer. And this is one way that you can use a layer. I think I've said layer too many times, but I think you get the point. It's easy. You don't have to struggle with it. So now I'm just painting, and there's going to be some music playing. So I hope you enjoyed the music. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like the video. Thank you. So yep, just painting. That's a mistake that I did. Paint. Okay, yeah, and now we just do some cleanup, make sure it's very neat. And then you just add another layer. You take the orange, make it into another color, and then you color under the second layer. Now it looks quite good. Just for your information, this is just something random. It's not like a very proper artwork, but it just shows you how you can use the clips and how you can use the layers in a very simple way. I'm so sorry I said clips. So this is going to be like a very formal kind of style. But yeah, this is how you use layers. So as we progress on to the next step, you just have to add another layer, and now we are going to use the multiply layer, and we are using another brush. So yeah, search for multiply, then close, then afterwards you just take blue and you just start coloring over the circle, and that's you can get it. So you just use the blur brush, just a brush, and you just do your stuff, paint. Then afterwards we're gonna use the last layer in this tutorial, which is the overlay function. So yeah, you just have that kind of effect. And well, that's the tutorial for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This is a very simple, unplanned tutorial. So well, hope this helps, and good luck on your Procreate journey.